Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today.
Yeah.
It's Kelly.
And Margo from my favorite quilt store. How you guys doing today? I hope it's a beautiful day at your place.
Absolutely. And if it's not, get into your sewing room and start sewing.
And start sewing. Hey, we want to show you these kits. They're by Annie Brady and from Bound Company, and they are so cute. This has been one of our most popular
By far.
quilts. They're baby quilts, and they come in 3 different motifs. This one is a raccoon.
And we have the fox as well as the owl.
And the owl. And these are beginner friendly. They're easy to make. And they come with all solid fabrics inside. I'm going to open one of them up and show you what we got inside so you can see the raccoon kit. So the pattern comes with great instructions. It's all color. It's easy. It's beginner friendly. And you could make this in like a day or so. It is a skill level, like confident beginner, and the size on this quilt kit is 36 by 44. So it's a great size for a crib baby quilt. So what you have is the background, the white and the off-white and the beige, and these are the squares in the background. So that gives you the checkered look. And then the raccoon is made up of the 2 blues, the gray, and the brown. And this gives you your look of the raccoon and all of its little pieces. And it's all half square triangles and squares, so it's really fun to do. And it's geometric, it's fun, it's very modern, and what baby wouldn't love this? We also sell the patterns that you can buy individually if you'd like to. So anyway, this is our quilt kit, the raccoon, the fox, and the owl. So thanks for joining us, and we hope you pick one up and try it out.
Absolutely.
Thanks. Have a great day. Happy sewing.